You have something to say? Ethel, Ethel, come here. Just checking the place out. We are rolling back to the 1970s, man. Have to lift that lever. There you go. You have no clue how much you're spending. You just have to tabulate the gallons according to the price of the gas. Funny. And we're at 22 and 2/10 gallons. Okay, this will be my second fill up of gas while I'm in PA. It's been about a month, I think. Maybe a little less than, but not bad. I haven't been driving a whole lot, just to town and back. And the gas is now $3.83. It was $3.95 in town. Go figure. This little gas station in the middle of nowhere on top of a hill is $3.83. Oh, it's cheaper in Texas. It's 2 something in Texas. Oh well, I'm not in Texas anymore, am I? So I just wanted to tabulate my gas and see if I could figure out the mileage. I bought this little teeny tiny heater. It's a personal size heater, ceramic. It only has off and on. You cannot change the levels of the heat, but it doesn't draw much power either. There's the box for it. Let's go on the, there we go. So, just kind of curious how well it can heat this van. It didn't need anything very big because it's a really small space in here. Upside down. So, I don't even know what wattage it draws. Here we go. Okay, so it draws, what does it say, 400 watts? So, and I have it plugged into this power thing here. And I've got the freezer plugged in. I have the refrigerator plugged in. So we're going to test this and see how well it warms up this atmosphere with all the doors closed. Let me see. For thermometer, inside of here, I'll take the one out of the freezer. There we go. Then we'll just set that up there, and not in front of the heater, of course. I'll just put it back up on here and see what it comes to. This goes up to what? This goes up to 80 degrees. So we'll see how well it can heat up this van, because I'm plugged into shore power anyhow, so I may as well use something electric. I did not bring my buddy heater because I'm not staying in the van, but I don't want to have to move everything out of it either. So, because I've got a little my pantry's back there, my spices are on the floor over there, I've got this thing of things in here, You know, I just don't want to have to move everything in case of a freeze, because it's going to get to 34 tonight, which means here out in the country it might even get colder. So we'll see. It's a mess in here. It's an absolute mess. I should have came out and cleaned it up yesterday, and I didn't. Now it's cold, and I gotta go help my mom. It's already, that's Texas time, so it's actually 3:45 instead of 2:45. Shoo. We'll see how that works. I'll close up all the doors and everything. My test with the personal heater is not very successful. It is, but I don't get it, because it's 50 degrees outside, but yet it's colder inside. So that's about 36 or 38 degrees there. That doesn't make sense. So I just took the thermometer that was in my refrigerator out to test and see if it changes. If it doesn't, then I will know that this isn't going to help me. The kicker is I have 3 little heaters, but they're all in the motorhome, along with other things that I could use. But, oh well, I'm going to go ahead and probably conclude this test for now. No, I'm not. That's, oh, anyhow, I'll come back in a little bit and see what happens. I get that dog grooming kit too. They need groomed. That's that container down there that looks like a purple toolbox. That's my dog grooming box. And of course, all the dogs and cats are inside. I just gave the puppies a bath. They're not puppies, they're 9 years old. But still, I just gave them a bath, and I came out to get fresh cat litter. I keep it in this hamper right here. I bought it specifically for that because the bags break, and I just wanted it to look a bit nicer. That looks a whole lot nicer. So I'll just scoop some up, put it in this bag. I've already dumped out the old litter. So just put in fresh litter in their boxes. And I keep the litter double bagged. There's 2 bags in there. That keeps out all the humidity so it doesn't go bad on me, because it's horse pellets. Pine pellets is what it is. Used for horse bedding. It's a whole lot cheaper than the feline pine, which is the same thing. So a tip to you. If you have cats and you use feline pine, go to your local farm and market store and get some pine pellets. It's the same darn thing. Okay, so it says it's 50 degrees in here. It's about 44 outside, I think. So I don't know how warm it kept it through the night. We got into the 30s. But now we're going to be in the 50s for a few nights, so I can turn this baby off. I don't quite know when I'm going to be leaving. I don't want to have to buy another heater. I really don't. Come on, boys. And this is how it happens. This is why I have to stop every so many feet to fix the leashes. Such goobers. You boys. Alrighty, I finally tightened the doghouse back down. Had to take that part off of it. It's tightened back down, let's hope. And I guess it's time to get the mechanic's fingerprints off of my dash and everything. And the van's gotten pretty dirty just from sitting around anyhow. So I'm going to use this and see how it works before I put this part back on there. Okay, everything is finally cleaned up. It looks really good. Been needing to do that for a month now or more, ever since the mechanic worked on it. So all the black fingerprints are gone, all the dust is gone. It looks good. And the doghouse is nice and secure again. Oh, goodness. And the clips are on the steering wheel to remind me that I'm plugged in, just kind of like the motorhome. When you plug in, you put clips on your steering wheel to remind you. Kleenexes are up here again. Everything's good. I still have to install my dash cam. Oh, and I got to get rid of that remnant of the sticker. That'll be another day.